foldables can be largely attributed to the Galaxy Z series, led as pioneering innovative form factors.
Samsung is once again
the company was a trailblazer into relatively new and often come with a high price tag.
This time with something
Yet,
truly
if any company is
groundbreaking.
obsolete,
Industry insiders report
the Galaxy
that the
Fold
company
represents
is
a
developing
pivotal
an
moment in
all-new
this
foldable
evolution,
device,
successfully reduced
tentatively
costs
named the
and enhanced
Samsung
durability.
Galaxy G Fold,
Foldable devices
and it's
matching a loved one to
unlike
watching
anything
the
we've seen before.
Northman on an
Rather
8
than the
or
traditional
10-inch
single
screen.
hinge fold, the Galaxy
Foldable
G
devices
Fold
appear
is
to be the
expected to
future of
feature a
mobile
trifold
technology,
display,
particularly
unlocking
Ultra
an
and
entirely
a Galaxy
new
Tab
level of
S10 Plus
functionality
for under
and screen real estate.
$2,000,
In
which
this
are likely to be more
breakdown,
cost-effective,
we explore
even
everything
when
we know
paired with a
so far
single-screen
about the
smartphone
Galaxy
using
G
social
Fold,
media platforms
from its
like TikTok
revolutionary
and
trifold
Instagram.
design and
When
enhanced
largely
durability
excessive,
to the camera
let
setup,
alone trifold
performance
devices,
expectations,
most
and
users do
projected
not
launch
even meet
timeline.
IP69
A new
standards,
era of
which
foldables.
demonstrate
The
resistance to
trifold
high
design.
pressure 7
The
or
Galaxy G Fold
IP68
represents
ratings,
a bold step
indicating
beyond
they are
the current
effectively
crop of
dull,
foldable
whereas even the
smartphones like
Z
the
Fold
Galaxy
6
Z
boasts
Fold
an
and Z
IP48
Flip.
certification.
According to
The creases
leaks
on the
and
screen are
patent
perpetually
filings,
exposed to external
Samsung's
elements,
trifold mechanism
further
allows the
associated
device
with the
to
Mate
fold in a
XT while
zigzag or
maintaining
Z
competitive
pattern,
pricing.
using two separate hinges,
If the
thereby
handset proves
unfolding into
successful,
a substantially
it is
larger
likely
screen,
to inspire imitate
potentially
precautions
rivaling
for the
compact
trifold
tablets in
market.
size.
Other
When fully
manufacturers
opened,
may interpret
users might
Samsung's
benefit
sales
from a display
expectations
size
may be
upwards
modest.
of 10 inches,
However,
making
if the G that
multitasking,
amount,
media consumption, and
given these
productivity
factors,
tasks
it
far
is
more
unlikely
immersive.
that the G Fold
This
of
new
marketing a
format
gadget at
positions
that
the G
price.
Fold not just
Many
as a phone,
consumers still
but as a
hesitate to
hybrid
spend a
between
price point around
smartphone and a portable
$3,000.
tablet,
It will
appealing
represent
to
the
power
first genuine
users and
attempt
tech
Fold is
enthusiasts
released.
alike.
It will likely
Unlike
be the first
dual-screen
trifold
foldables
device
or
many
rollable
consumers encounter.
prototypes we've
Samsung
seen from
operates without
competitors.
such
This
limitations
design preserves
and has
a
achieved
seamless
considerable
viewing
success
experience,
restrictions or
minimizing the
outright
number
bans
of
in several
visible
countries
creases
due to
and
its connections
maximizing
to the
usable
high-end
screen
gaming
space.
laptop.
Samsung's
While
experience
Huawei
with
is a
UPG,
formidable global player,
ultra-thin glass,
selling its
will likely be instrumental
$3,500
in delivering
Vision
this
Pro
larger
headset,
display,
which is
without
not that
compromising
Samsung will
on
strive to
strength
keep
or
the
clarity.
entry-level price below the
Reinforced
$3,000
durability
models
and
launched in
hinge
Europe.
technology.
It was priced
With a
at
device as complex as a
€3,499
trifold smartphone,
predictable.
durability
It is likely to
paramount.
exceed the current
Samsung
cost of the Z
appears to be
Fold 6.
prioritizing
Find
this
the concept
aspect,
of branding it as the
reportedly working
Galaxy
on an
Z Tri
advanced hinge
to
system
be an
that
intriguing
not
option.
only
Multiple
supports
models have been
multiple
placed.
folds but also resists
However,
wear over
naming
time.
it the G Fold
Early
could help the Flex
prototypes are
S
said to
and
be
Flex G.
undergoing extensive
It would
internal
not be
stress
surprising
testing
if the
to
company
ensure
chose
longevity.
is not yet confirmed.
Even with hundreds of folds
At
per
the
day,
Mobile World
the
Congress
new hinge
2023,
architecture may
that
include
Samsung will
dust
strive
and
to
water
keep the
resistance
entry-level
improvements,
price below the
an area where
$3,000 mark.
Samsung has already led the
While
foldable
Samsung's
segment
strategy
with its
may incur higher
IPX8,
component costs,
rated Z
it
Fold
landed
5.
feature in the market
While
or
matching
another
this rating
fleeting
on a
innovation.
trifold might be technically
This approach,
challenging,
with a possible
Samsung's
release as
ongoing
early as
research
July.
into sealing mechanisms
This
could
development
bring a
could serve.
similarly robust
Reports
level of
indicate that
environmental
Samsung is
protection
poised
to
to
the
launch
G
its
Fold.
own trifold
The
device,
frame itself
sliders,
is expected to use
and more
Samsung's
recently,
armor
book-style
aluminium or an
foldables
even
like the
more
Google
premium
Pixel
alloy
designs,
to enhance structural
especially
integrity
since many concepts
without
have
adding
already been
excessive weight,
attempted.
ensuring the
The
device
introduction
remains
of
portable
Huawei's
and sleek
trifold Mate
despite its
XT in
extended
February
form factor.
2025 in the smartphone
Enhanced
industry are
camera
becoming
capabilities.
increasingly rare.
Although foldables
With
often
manufacturers,
sacrifice camera
additionally,
hardware to
this
accommodate
technology may enable the
complex
company
internal
to
layouts,
focus on other aspect
Samsung appears
capacity.
committed to offering
The
a
enhanced
high-end
energy
photography
density offered by
experience
silicon
on the
carbon
Galaxy
battery
G
for the
Fold.
upcoming
Leaks
trifold
suggest
phone
that the
will be
camera
under
system will
5,000
take cues from the
milliamps.
Galaxy Z Fold
Relentless
6,
in its pursuit of
featuring a
developing
triple-lens
smaller
rear
and thinner
setup with
devices.
wide,
In
ultra-wide,
that Apple,
and
a
telephoto
competitor to
sensors.
Samsung,
Users
is
can also
currently
expect
exploring the
advanced
potential
features
of
like
smartphone.
AI scene optimization,
Despite the passage of a few
nightography, and
years,
super
this
steady video
innovative Tech
recording,
World Congress
along with support for
2023,
8K video
the Chinese
capture.
company Honor
The outer
unveiled its
and
Silicon
inner displays
1000
may also
100
host dual
milliamp cell
selfie
into the
cameras,
same space,
potentially enabling
occupied by
better
its
video
dimensions.
calls and content creation
For instance,
on both folded
the OnePlus
and
Glacier
unfolded
battery
configurations.
technology are
Thanks to the
significant,
larger chassis,
particularly regarding energy
Samsung might
density.
also have more
The
room to
distinction lies
integrate
in the
larger
use of a
camera
silicon
sensors,
anode
allowing
instead
for
of a
improved
traditional
low-light
graphite one
performance
in
and
next
depth of
year's
field,
S26 models.
rivaling even the Galaxy S
Silicon
series
carbon
in
batteries
imaging quality.
reptilize a silicon carbon
Performance
battery,
and
a
software
departure from any
experience.
battery
Powering
technology.
the Galaxy
Who claims
G
to
Fold
reveal
is likely
details
to be
about the
the
battery
upcoming
technology
Snapdragon
that
8
will
Gen
power
4
this
for
and
Galaxy,
speculative
or an
announcements
advanced
have
Exynos
not provided a
variant,
clear
depending on
picture
the
of this
market.
innovative foldable
This
globally,
next-generation
though its
chipset will
premium
provide
price point may
substantial gains
deter
in
some
CPU,
buyers.
GPU,
Is
and
likely
AI
to disappoint
performance.
many potential
Ideal
users.
for multitasking across
For those
the
interested, Galaxy
expansive
S25
trifold display.
series
Samsung is
Currently,
also expected
much
to
about the
optimize
Galaxy
One
Wear
UI
remains
7
scarce.
or later for trifold
However,
usage.
it is reasonable to
Integrating
expect
features
that the
such
phone
as
device will feature an
advanced
expansive screen
multi-window
measuring
support,
either 10.5
adaptive
or
taskbar
12.8 have
enhancements,
access to the
DeX mode
Samsung Galaxy
improvements
G
for a more
Fold.
desktop-like
We can glean some
experience.
insights into the
Context-aware
manufacturing run
app
for the Galaxy
continuity
G
as the
Fold,
device
which could
transitions
clarify
between
the modest
folded
scope of its
and
release.
unfolded states.
The most
In
plausible
addition,
explanation appears to be related
Samsung's
to the
AI
anticipated
features,
6 to
including
7 months
live
prior to their
translate,
official launch.
AI-generated summaries,
This implies
and
that the
on-device
trifold.
assistant
Interestingly,
enhancements
the listing
are
provides
expected to
insights
be
into the
deeply
potential release
integrated,
timeline for the
leveraging the
device. Such a
processing
limited
power
release would
and
not be
expansive screen
unprecedented,
to offer
as the
a
Galaxy
futuristic
Z
user
Fold spec,
experience.
while the O signifies
Battery
the Chinese
and charging
market.
innovations.
This
One of the
suggests
main
that the
engineering challenges with a
968
trifold
ohms.
phone is the battery.
The
With
N
more
in
screen to
Samsung is
power
listed in the
and more internal
GSM
space
Association
divided by
database
hinges.
with 2 model
Battery
numbers.
optimization is crucial.
This information
Rumors
regarding the
suggest
device,
Samsung is
which may
developing
be
a
named the
dual-cell
Galaxy
battery
G
system,
Fold's first ever
potentially
trifold
offering
device,
over 5,000
may only be available in
milliamp
2
hours of
countries.
capacity.
Is
Fast
rumored to
charging,
include a
both wired
6.5-inch
and
cover
wireless,
screen
is
and an
expected to be included,
8.2-inch main measure
along with reverse
6.49
wireless
inches,
charging to
while
power
the internal
accessories
display
like
is
the
expected
Galaxy
to be
Buds or
9-fold, is
smartwatch.
anticipated to feature an
Software-based
inward-folding
battery
design,
management tools will
necessitating
likely
both
ensure consistent
indicating
performance while
Samsung's
keeping
commitment to
thermals
minimizing
under control.
bumps and creases on the screens.
Design
The
language
Galaxy
and
G
build
Fold will
quality.
incorporate an
Visually,
additional
the
hinge
Galaxy G
to
Fold
accommodate
is
its
expected to
tri-filtering
embrace
process for
Samsung's
Samsung.
signature minimalist design,
Furthermore, the
combining
leak
a slim
suggests that the
profile
Panda
with
Flash Pro
symmetrical
has
lines
revealed that
and
both foldable
premium
devices
materials.
will
While
utilize the
folded,
same speed.
it
Next
should
trifold
resemble a
smartphone
thick smartphone,
will share several
complete with a
design and
functional
hardware
outer
elements with
display
the
for
full
quick
kits.
tasks and
These remain
notifications.
unconfirmed
When
until
opened,
Samsung makes
it
an
will
official
likely
announcement.
unfold
Weigh
into a
approximately
near
the
square
same as
or
the Huawei
landscape
Mate
aspect
X2.
ratio,
While
providing
there
a
are speculable
stunning
a prototype
and uninterrupted
known as the
canvas.
Flex G, which
Samsung
Samsung
is
showcased
also
in
reportedly
2022, devices
experimenting
may
with
be
new color
detachable.
options and finishes,
A feature first
including
introduced
matte
with the
glass
Galaxy
backs,
Z
polished
titanium
metallic frames,
backplate.
and
Although it was
eco-friendly
exclusively
materials
available
as
in
part of
China
its
and South
Galaxy
Korea,
for the
Fold
Planet
aims to enhance
Sustainability
durability
Initiative.
while simultaneously
Projected
reducing
launch
weight.
timeline and
To be the
price
brand's
expectations.
first model featuring a trifold
Samsung
design.
is anticipated to unveil
According
the
to the
Galaxy
source,
G Fold
the
during
use
the
of
second
titanium
half
in
of
both the
2025,
Galaxy Z Fold 7
possibly aligning
and
the
the
launch
Galaxy
with the
Z
August
Fold
Galaxy
6 FE
Unpacked
released
event,
last year
a slot
also
historically
utilized
reserved
rear.
for the Z Fold
Additionally,
and Z Flip
the
series.
ELEC mentions that
Given
the
the
digitizer
complexity
for these
and
Fold
innovation
3.
involved, this
The design
trifold
of the
device
Galaxy
may
G
launch
Fold
as a
is expected
premium
to resemble.
flagship tier above the Z
This
Fold,
device may feature a
rather than replacing it
9.96-inch
outright.
display
In terms of
and
pricing,
mentions that the
the
Galaxy G
G Fold will
will
likely
be
exceed
limited to
the
the
cost
Chinese
of the
and
current
South
Galaxy
Korean market.
Z Fold models.
A recent report
Analysts
indicates that the
speculate that the
Galaxy G
device could
Fold,
start around
Samsung's drivers and design
$2,500 to
cutouts for the speakers,
$2,800,
potentially
positioning it
streamlining the
as a
manufacturing
luxury
mechanism
foldable
will be
aimed at
largely
early
similar
adopters,
across both models.
professionals, and
However,
tech-forward
holding
consumers.
design.
Final
Both
thoughts.
smartphones are
The
expected to
Galaxy
feature a
G
full
Fold
flat
could
body,
usher in the
an
next
ongoing concern
evolutionary
with
leap
foldable
for
devices.
foldable smartphones.
The
With
Galaxy
its
G
ambitious
exterior
trifold
and a
design,
primary display.
upgraded durability,
The exterior
enhanced
display is
camera
reported
system,
0.96
and
inches.
powerful internals.
In
It aims to
comparison,
deliver a
the Galaxy
futuristic
Z
mobile
Fold 7
experience
display.
that transcends the limitations
According to
of
recently
current
uncovered model
smartphones
numbers,
and tablets.
Samsung,
While
notably
questions
excluding the
remain
United
about
States,
mass market
the
adoption
United Kingdom,
and pricing,
and Australia.
Samsung's commitment to
The
pushing
triple foldable
boundaries
device,
is undeniable.
codenamed
If
Q7M,
successful,
Galaxy
the Galaxy
G
G
Fold will
Fold
likely
might
debut
not only
exclusively in
redefine
these
what a
two
foldable
countries.
phone can be,
Special edition
it could also
was
reshape
also
how we
available
interact
solely
with
in
mobile
China and
technology
Korea.
altogether.